When you hear the word Python, the first image that usually comes to mind is a snake. So it feels natural to wonder why a programming language would be named after one. The truth is, Python has nothing to do with snakes. The real story is far more interesting. Python was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum. At that time, he was working on a new programming language and wanted it to feel different from the others. He was not looking for a heavy, technical, or intimidating name. Instead, he wanted something short, memorable, and a little playful. During that period, Guido was a big fan of a British comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. The show was known for its clever humor, absurd sketches, and creative storytelling. Guido loved that style. He wanted his programming language to reflect the same spirit, simple on the surface but powerful and intelligent underneath. That is where the name Python came from. So when Python was named, it was meant to sound fun and approachable, not scary or complex. The goal was clear from the start: make programming easier to read, easier to write, and more enjoyable. The connection to snakes came later. People naturally associated the word Python with a snake, and over time the snake logo became popular. But the name itself was inspired by comedy, not wildlife. You can still see this influence today. Python documentation and examples often include humorous references like spam, eggs, and parrots. These are small tributes to the comedy show that inspired the name. In many ways, the name Python perfectly matches the language. It is simple, friendly, and easy to remember. And just like the language, it removes unnecessary complexity. So the next time someone says, "I write code in Python," remember this: they are not talking about a snake. They are talking about a programming language named after a legendary comedy show created to make coding feel human and enjoyable. If you found this story interesting, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share what you first thought Python was named after. See you in the next video.